All right, what we got next? SOG Kilowatt. So let's see what the Kilowatt can do. Cut him. We don't need all this. Get this out of here. Speaker wire, so on and so forth. I don't know. We're gonna wing it. Let's see what happens. So let's try. Well, we can always go smaller. We can't go larger, right? So let's go 10. It's not a 10. Hold on. Hold the phone. Hold the phone. I don't know if you heard that click. Wiggle, jiggle, and strip it, baby. And pull. The Kilowatt is doing its job. So let me see. Will this fit in there? So this is like spring-loaded. And maybe we turn it. And then, holy moly, look at that. That was really, really smooth, man. I like it. I like it. Whoop. It's so nice. Very nice. Get yours today. mountainready.online.